This is the best budget keyboard. It's called the Shadow X by a company called Epomake, and in the box it comes with the keyboard itself along with a dual keycap and switch puller, a braided USB-C cable, and spare keycaps and switches. The keyboard is also 5-pin hot swap, meaning you can fully customize it with any of your favorite switches. It also has this mini LCD screen that displays the battery life and the mode that it's on, and an adjustable knob where you can set it to a bunch of different modes. But here's how it sounds.